Hello everyone, welcome to the newest version of Zira 4.0. In this video, we will be going over a few of the newest features you can now use on Zira. Our channel extensions. Your channel tabs are now called extensions, and you can add or remove any of them from your desired channel. Second, confirming a new user. You can now auto-confirm new users without sending an email confirmation. Third, our scheduler. With this, you can schedule recurring tasks and posts with the scheduler extension. And lastly, our dashboard. Now we can create a new task straight from your task widget, edit your layout for mobile devices, and try our new feed widget. First, our channel extensions. Let's go to our desired channel. For this example, we will go to our mains water channel. And from here, to remove or add an already existing extension, we will simply click the extension button right here. And all of the ones highlighted green are the current extensions you now have on your channel. To remove an already existing extension, simply click the extension you would like to remove and deselect it, then press done. As you can see now, our task extension is now gone. However, if we would like to add it back or add an extension, simply click the extension button again, re-click it to highlight it green, and press done. Now we have back our task extension. So with channel extensions, you can now customize your channel and remove or add any extensions for your liking. A quick new feature that we have added on Zira is auto-confirming a user. Now let's say you would like to invite a new team member on Zira and they do not have an email. Well, this new feature gives you the capabilities to invite users who do not have an email account or no work address. When doing this, you would simply navigate to your preferred channel, go to the People extension tab, add a new person, invite your new user, and when you're inviting them, and after that, simply click the auto confirm button. When doing this, the user is marked as someone with no email, so email notification will never be sent to them. This user will not get the invitation to their email address and however might miss all of the onboarding movies that are listed on Zira. However, by being able to auto confirm and invite new users without an email account, this allows users to get started on our platform faster. So here we are back at our mains water channel on Zira. The next new feature I will show you is our schedulers extension. This is where teams can schedule recurring posts, tasks, or webhooks on Zira. To access this, you would simply navigate to our new extension button and you will see scheduler and our inventory management extension available. For this video, we won't dive into our inventory management solution, but for more information on that, look for a future video focused specifically on our inventory extension. For now, we will dive deep into our scheduler. To access it, simply click on it on Zira. As you can see, I already have it available, so I'll press done. To access it, just simply navigate to scheduler, and to add a new schedule, click the button on the right side, and this is where we can customize our schedule, tell Zira when we want it to run, whether it's once a week, once a month, at a specific time, on a specific day. Since we are on our mains water channel, I am going to create a schedule for our water meter calibration. So I will name our schedule exactly that. Let's say I want it to run once a week on Tuesday at 6 o'clock. We can customize it to month if we would like, but for this example, I want it every Tuesday at 6. Hit next. And this is where we can schedule our exact call to action. We can add a specific post that comes with our schedule, a task, or a webhook. For this example, we want to create a recurring task that's going to tell us to conduct our water meter calibration. We want this task to always be high priority. We can assign it to a specific team member if we would like, but we're going to keep it as is for this example. And we're going to press done. Now you can see we have a schedule for once a week on Tuesday at 6 p.m. for our mains water meter calibration. So we can go ahead and save that, and boom, you have now created your first schedule on Zira. And to show you exactly what that task would look like once 6 p.m. does come around on a Tuesday every week, we can go to our feed and you can see here 19 hours ago on an old schedule that we had made, we do have a task now to calibrate our water meter, and you'll see in the comments it says task created by water meter calibration. So with that scheduler, this is exactly what it would look like once the date, time, and day that you have set it at comes around. You'll get a task right to your feed telling you to calibrate your water meter at the exact time and day you would like it recurring. So from the previous screen, I've navigated to a main site on Zira where we will go over our last new feature, which is some exciting updates to our dashboard. For this example, I will access my operator panel dashboard that I have listed here. And for this example, we want to see the last 60 days. So the first new update that I will show on our dashboard is we can now edit the layout of our dashboard for a mobile device, tablet, or desktop all in one place. To do that, we'd simply navigate to the top right where it says edit layout, and it should take you to a new tab on Zira. And as you can see, we can now configure the layout from the top right for our mobile, tablet, or desktop. Let's start with our mobile device. Let's say we would like to see our downtime reasons first when we open our phone, and let's make that a bit bigger. And the good thing about this is once you configure layout, Zira automatically saves it. And next, let's configure the layout for our tablet. Let's say we would still like to see our machine status, but let's make that a bit smaller and move our shortcuts up to the top right. There you go, like that. And that's what we have for our tablet layout right now. And then lastly, our desktop, which we're using right now. Let's say we would like to see our tasks first. Let's just move that up and make this a bit smaller and have the operator binder take up a bit more room. And that's how easy it is to configure the layout for your dashboard based on a device that you are now currently using. If we want to see the new updates, we'd simply go to the top left where it says back to dashboard. And now you can see that those changes have automatically been made on Zira. The next exciting update we have for our dashboard is being able to create a task straight from our task widget on Zira. I moved our tasks up to the top of our dashboard. And if we want to just create a new task without having to navigate out of our dashboard and into a task extension tab, as you can see now, there is a new button next to the total amount of tasks that we have where we can just create a new task. Let's say we would like to check our meter readings. Let's mark that as high priority. And from creating a task in a dashboard, you do have to assign it to a channel. And for this, we'll say it's our maintenance channel. And then we can click done. Now you can see right after creating a task, it goes straight to our task board on Zira. So instead of having to navigate out of our dashboard, users can now create a task straight from a task widget on their Zira dashboard. The last exciting new feature I will show is a brand new widget we call the feed widget. With this, users can get the latest reports, alerts, and tasks from any feed on Zira. To add this, we would simply navigate to the top right where we can add a new widget, and you will find the feed widget right at the bottom of our options. We can add that, and for this example, we want to take a look and see all the latest alerts, tasks coming from our maintenance feed. So for this, we will title it maintenance feed, and then simply in the drop-down menu, look for the channel you would like to see or type it in. We will look at maintenance. And now you can see a preview of it on the right side. Let's go ahead and save that. And now it should pop up at the bottom of our dashboard right here on the left hand side. Now, like the task we had just created to check our power meter readings, we can see that that went straight to our feed. But we can even scroll and see other tasks that were made, any alerts that have come up in the past, anything from our feed that has popped up in the past on Zira is now accessible to see straight from our dashboard without having to navigate outside of it to a feed extension on Zira. So that is some exciting new features and updates that are now at your disposal on Zira. Please look out for future videos in regards to other new features and updates like our all-in-one inventory management solution. And we hope that this new version and our platform in general allows you to work like it's 2050. Thanks for watching.